can you run a vehicle analysis on my vehicle? देखिए बताएगी क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम है मेरे व्हीकल में. अब सपोज तेरे पास मतलब अभी मैंने एक एग्जाम्पल के लिए डेटा दे रखा है उसे, तो उसने उसके बेसिस पे प्रॉब्लम सारी बताई. एंड अब देखियो ये जो पूरी प्रॉब्लम्स है.
I've got your vehicle analysis ready. So we looked at your mileage from 1,500, 0 to 19,500 miles. And it seems like the temperature has been creeping up a bit. It started at 85 degc and is currently at a concerning 115 degc. The average temperature overall is around 99.8 degc, which is pretty high. What's important here is that we noticed a rising trend, about a 30 degc increase over just 4,500 miles. That's quite a jump. Given the situation, it's a good idea to check what might be causing that rise. Things like the cooling system, coolant levels, or a thermostat issue could be culprits. Make sure to keep an eye on those temperatures going forward. If you need help or have any questions, just let me know.
Hey, can you schedule a meeting on October 23rd, 2025 at 10 a.m. titled Vehicle Repairing? इसने मेरा वो कर दिया होगा. अब मैं अपना दिखाऊं.
Hey there, I've set up a meeting for vehicle repairing on October 23rd, 2025 at 10 a.m. You can check it out or make changes by clicking on this link. View calendar event, atrib///www chat. Rage Dow and then for you.